What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. I'm gonna show you my nerf guns. This is zombie strike, it's nerf fire strike, and this is nerf elite destructor. Yeah, and I'll show you how they shoot. My target is, by the way, is that hanger. Oh, by the way, I'll shoot from like over here. I'll shoot the hanger. Oh, I'm gonna use this one first. And he has green bullets. I'm gonna try shoot like in the middle of that. Boom. One shot. And it has like a compartment here. And one here. And there's a secret one under here. And I think that's cool. Boom. Oh, that rebounded and hit my leg. Now I will do the elite fire strike. This one. So I'll try as well. By the way, this has like a laser here, and but I don't have like the batteries, so yeah. And it's like really accurate though. I can do this. See, I can do that. 3, 2, 1, pew! I missed so badly. What? It goes like really high up. If you shoot like straight, you need to aim like a little down. Yeah, I aimed like 2 inches down. Now, I'll do this disruptor. This one. It has a barrel. So once you load like this, look at the barrel. And then when I shoot, wait, look at the barrel. And then when I shoot, like this, it spins. And it will go to the different piece of ammo. Now I'll show you how accurate it is. It goes really fast, so you just aim straight up for where you want to aim. Boom. That was strong. Oh, and it's really strong by the way. If you like play with these and you shoot each other, you need to like wear something on your eyes. Like this. Because you might get hit in the eye, and yeah. Oh, by the way, this is also / baby episode, so yeah. I'll see you then. This is my sister watching TV, by the way, and she's sitting on my dad's lap. He's watching TV. Oh, there's a burger on the screen, but you can't see it though. But you can. It's really loud, so you might not hear me. There's a burger on the screen, but it's too light, so you can't see it. You can see their eyes, sort of, and a car. She's watching this like burger thing. It's like learning about stuff, but mostly for songs. She's staring at me. Copyright music, by the way, from people who made this. This is her playpen on Sundays. Got the Christmas tree and other toys. Oh, this is the Santa guy. She just mostly just sits for like 1 hour watching TV. It's a wild baby. The wild baby is watching its predators. The hamburgers. The hamburgers. The wild baby is stalking its prey. Now, she looks and attacks. No, she's not attacking. What? Hello, baby. Say hello.
Let's come again tomorrow.
Hello. Hi. Say hi. Hello. Wave. Baby, say hi. Say hi.
Okay.
Baby.
Insert coin and you can get ice cream.
Baby. Say hi. She just focused on the TV. Are you watching TV, baby? Yes? You're watching TV? Say hi. Hi. What would you like to sing? Baby. What would you like to sing? Hello? Hello? What song would you like to sing? Orange. Orange? Yes, sing Orange. No? Okay. What other songs do you know? What other songs do you know? Hello? Boop. Boop. You're still watching TV. Oh, why do you like this? Why is it entertaining? Back with the news. Welcome back with the news. Now to baby. 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 Baby.
Right.
Baby.
And it was so fun to use.
Baby hot. Baby hot.
Look at you. The ice cream is all over your face.
What? How are you opening your mouth? What are you doing? Ice cream. Ice cream? What? Oh no, we'll have ice cream later. Orange. Orange ice cream.
If you like this video,
Yeah, did you hear that? They said like the video if you liked it. So you need to like it.
Video orange.
Yeah, see? Video is orange, which is the best color. That means it's the best video.
Video orange.
Yeah, see? She's saying video orange. Say subscribe.
The orange.
Orange subscribe. Say orange subscribe.
The orange with white.
See? She said orange subscribe. Yeah.
See?
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.